Hello everyone in cyber world. Welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. Today we're at the Las Vegas Convention Center at the National Hardware Show. We're sitting up our DEKO Tools area, and we are freezing, but we're having a great time.
Everyone's getting set up for tomorrow's show. And things are coming along here for us.
Okay, it's day one. The convention is open. We're waiting for people, and we'll see how things go. We'll keep you posted.
Okay, here I am at the National Hardware Show. It just started a little while ago. We have lots of vendors in this show, and it's a great opportunity to come out and see it. So here we are at the National Hardware Show, day two. It's quite an adventure. We're having a really good time. Lots of vendors.
Okay, it's day two. We are now sitting down because we've stood up all day yesterday and we're not as young as we used to be, so find ourselves getting a little more tired. It's been a lot of fun. Hopefully DEKO Tools has some good contacts that they've made, and maybe we contribute a little bit, hopefully, maybe. We'll see how it is. We still got another day and a half to go, so we'll continue on from here.
So here we are, day three at the National Hardware Show. It's been a beautiful day so far, and many people have come and gone. So let's go ahead and take a look. Hi everybody, here we are at DEKO Tools, and I'm introducing Nargis. Hi!
Eduardo.
Hello guys, my name is Nargis. I'm a brand manager at DEKO Tools, and for 3 days we've been exhibiting our products in Las Vegas National Hardware Show. And Richard here behind the camera with his wife Jennifer were helping us to represent company DEKO Tools here. So we found out that it's not a national show, but rather international show, and honestly, I think it's been great 3 days. We have very good people. We've been collecting many leads, so in terms of business, I think it was great, and also we had opportunity to know Richard and Jennifer, and I just love that we connected and we had some fun times. We were joking, so it wasn't only about the business. So
So I think in my side, what was really nice is not only to be able to meet great people like Richard and Jennifer, obviously just having the chance to connect with people from all over the world, just like Nagi said. I don't think it's a national show, it's definitely an international show. For me personally, just being able to speak many languages and just have conversation, whether it is business wise or just personally, I think it is just great to be able to have this chance to even understand how a tool works better, right? Because not everybody knows about tools as Richard knows about tools. And so it's been really, really rich in that regard. I think I leave this place with a lot of knowledge, a lot of different memories, and I just overall appreciate. So if you're watching and you follow Richard, I believe you're lucky, because I just got to meet him, and I think it's really cool. So yeah, hopefully you get to keep watching his videos and you get to know more about him, his life, and what he's doing, because he just helped us a lot. So thanks for watching, and I guess we'll see you soon.
We've had a wonderful time at the National Hardware Show.
Yes, we'd like to thank DEKO Tools for even inviting us to work for them and represent them. We've heard a lot. We didn't know what to expect. We thought this might be more of an individual sales type thing. It turns out it's more of a business opportunity to gain the retailers to sell their products and whatnot. Overall, it was just a great learning experience for us, and we had a really good time. Next week, we'll get back to making videos for products we're going to build. So until we see you again.
Bye-bye.